An easy way to organize and analyze your data in Google Sheets is to use the sort and filter tools. In this video, we will look at how you sort data in alphabetical or numerical order, and also how you filter data to hide data that you don't want to see. To sort your data, first go to a spreadsheet that contains some data. There are a couple different ways to sort your data in a Google Sheet. If you simply want to sort by one column at a time, you can click the column letter above your data, or click and drag across the data that you would like to sort. From there, if you right-click on the column letter, you'll see the options Sort Sheet, A to Z, or Z to A, and you can click whichever option you would like. If you want some more options, so for example, I want to sort by last name and then by exam 1 grade, what I would do is select the whole range of data and then go to my Data tab on my menu bar. From there, I'll select Sort Range. In this dialog box, the first option is to select Data Has Header Row. My data does, first name, last name, exam 1, 2, etc. So I want to leave that checked. Then we're going to sort by last name, A to Z. After we sort by last name, I'm going to add another sort column and sort by exam 1 from A to Z, which will also do a numerical sort from lowest to highest. Let's go ahead and sort. Another option in a spreadsheet is to filter your data. Filtering your data allows you to see a subset of the data without deleting anything. Both Filters and Filter View will help you analyze a set of data in a spreadsheet. To filter our data, we again select the data that we would like to filter, and we turn on our filters by clicking the filter icon in our toolbar. Click Create a Filter. You'll now see that there is a small filter icon next to each of our column headers. Here, we can click and filter. So for example, I may want to see all students who failed exam 1. In this box, I can choose Filter by Condition. It'll say None to start, and I have a lot of different options, what the text contains, what a date is, etc. For this example, I'm going to choose less than and type in the value 60, and then I'll click OK. Now you'll see it only shows me the students who received a failing grade for exam 1. If I want to turn off the filter, I simply click the filter icon again, and I choose None, and then OK, and everything's back. A filter will never delete any of your data.